So first I'm going to show you some techniques you might use. I just have an old jar that I've washed for my water, a paintbrush and watercolor paints. Whatever paints you have at home are fine to use. You might even use food dye. The first technique I'm going to show you is called stippling. That is when you use small dots in a pattern to create value. You can see when the dots are closer together here, it looks darker, and as they get further apart, it looks lighter. The next technique is layering. So you can start with one color. You might get some yellow, paint some yellow. Then you can layer other colors on top of that. Remember to wash your brush in between each color that you use so you don't ruin your paints. Then I'm going to get some blue and I can layer over that yellow. And then you see I've also mixed the colors and it's become green. Next, I'm going to show you how to splatter the paint. So for this one, you do need more water. You can just flick the brush gently. So flick the brush onto the paper. Or you can also use your finger gently. You definitely need something covering your table if you are going to try this. You can also get lots of water and let it drip off the brush. Just gently flicking the paintbrush. This is my koi fish from last week, and now I'm going to use all the techniques I just showed you to decorate and paint it. my fish is now all painted, so I'm going to turn it into a kite. You need some sticky tape, ribbon or string of some sort, and preferably a hole punch. I'm going to make a hole with a skewer though, because I don't have a hole punch. So making a hole in this clear white bit, just gently. The ribbon will end up going through that hole. We want the wind to be able to go through the front and the back of our fish. So we're just going to sticky tape along the top and along the top of the tail. Press down really hard. Okay, once you've stuck the fish together, you can then put the ribbon through. So putting it through one side and then across to the other side. So in through one side of the mouth, across to the other side. You don't want to have it really tight so it's closed. Separate the mouth a bit. Then I'd add another little bit of sticky tape there as well. I'll do that in a minute. Then you need to tie the bits of ribbon together at the top, and you can hang it outside somewhere and see if it flies.